How to create your Facebook Marketplace account. In this video, I will show you how can you easily create account for Facebook Marketplace. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open your Facebook application, and to go to Marketplace, you might not see the option at the top menu. So simply click on the three lines at the top right corner, and then you will see the option of Marketplace. Simply click on it. Now, as you can see, there's no option to create account for Marketplace, but if you click on the person icon at the top right corner, you can see your profile in the Marketplace. As automatically for all Facebook user, Marketplace feature is available. But if you don't see the Marketplace feature in your account, you simply need to go to Help and Support. Once you click on Help and Support, click on Report the problem. Then after, click on Continue to report the problem. Now Facebook is creating a report for you. Here you need to choose the option of Include, and in Select Product you need to choose the option of Marketplace. After that, in this box, you need to briefly explain about your issue, about the Marketplace, that it is not available in your account, or if any other issue is happening in your Marketplace. So that's it. That is how easily you can create your Facebook Marketplace account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.